Quick reading for February the 11th to February the 12th, Libra. We have the Ace of Cups, the Five of Cups, the Queen of Wands. So ang ating relasyon nitong mga nakaraang araw, linggo, or buwan ay medyo malasado, no? May mga bagay, minsan na masarap pag malasado, depende yan sa taste. Minsan ang itlog, pag malasado, masarap. Pag nasa tamang panahon, tama yung pagkakaluto ng pagkamalasado, no? Pero I feel like ito is, nito mga nakaraang araw, parang hindi pa ganun ka-firm, no? Itong mga sinasabi ni person, yung truths na pwede niyang i-offer sa'yo, or even the communication. Pero nakikita natin, kumbaga puzzle pieces, no? We're picking up the puzzle pieces and now, unti-unti siya nakukumpleto. And now, unti-unti mo nakikita, ganito palang tao talaga si person. And now you're going to understand, no? Somewhat, magkakaroon ka ng clarity. Somewhat, eto na yung masasabi mong, so eto pala yun, no? Eto pala yung truth. So this is your quick reading, Libra, for February the 11th to February the 12th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.